Can you show you to everybody where is the pain? You can stand up.
Enseñar a la gente dónde está el dolor.
Okay, here
Yes.
and here.
Yeah.
Okay,
On the spot.
all this part and the neck also. Okay. Right now, sorry. Right now, how much is the intensity of your pain?
Ahora mismo, ¿en cuánto está la intensidad
Not
del
too
dolor?
much, but because there's
I
having
tried to
me
use the systems
yesterday.
we had
Very good.
yesterday,
Yeah.
So she says she feels a little bit better.
So she feels better from your treatment yesterday? Very good. Congratulations.
Ya se siente mejor ahora porque ha recibido un tratamiento de acupuntura.
Can you still, even if it's not too much pain at the moment, can you still try to tell me from 0 to 10 how intense you feel at the moment?
Aunque no dura mucho ahora, ¿me puede decir de 0 al 10 en cuánto está el dolor?
Just so we have somewhere
Yeah.
to start. Just
5.
5. Okay.
Yeah, I feel better.
5.
Okay. So I'm needling on the heart 5.
Pongo agujas en corazón 5. Una aguja en corazón 5.
This needle in the heart 5 goes into the direction of heart 7.
La aguja que he puesto en corazón 5 va en dirección de corazón 7.
And then on the pericardium 6 also, and I needle in direction to pericardium 7.
Y pericardio 6 lo mismo, va en dirección de pericardio 7.
Tender here when I push
A bit.
a bit.
Yeah.
Okay. Then I put a needle on the lung 9.5 almost.
Y una aguja en pulmón 9.5.
I know this one is a little strong. Okay, now I would like you move your shoulder
Ahora sí puede mover el hombro
and move the lower back.
y debajo de la espalda también.
Okay, you can walk around if you want to.
Puede caminar.
Okay, very nice. We can do together. Okay.
Because I feel it when I move sometimes.
Yeah,
The
good.
pain here.
Yeah, very good. Just move to try it, make it work. Okay, better. Very good. Is there any pain that is left?
¿Queda algún dolor?
Is all gone?
I think so.
Very good.
And that's all.
Yeah, that's it. Give me 5.
Ya no hay dolor.